Hi guys, and welcome to the Voice of AI. My name is Chris Plant, and thanks for joining me for this follow-up video on Lesson 1. This will help structuring your website content. And today I'll be explaining how to outline your business concisely. And it's really valuable to define the key services that we're going to promote on our website. The example we're going to use today is our own Voice of AI messaging, so you can easily follow and use as an example to help with your own content development. I'll show you step by step how to build with the correct processes. We'll start with the business overview, and this section should clearly state the goal of your website and key details about your offer. Be concise and compelling. For example, our site aims to position ourselves as AI experts. We will achieve this by using authority, provision of consulting services, training content, and optimal AI implementations for business. Then you're going to need to define core post types and elements, which you can also see on video 1.0. Just click on the link. For a product, post types may include product pages, blog posts, case studies and ebooks, and so on. We then outline the structure of each post type. Product pages could also contain titles, descriptions, specs, images, and more. Identify all the components you need. You may have services and calls to actions, depending on what you're selling, whether it's a product, a service, or SaaS model. You'll need to have it all in place before you start to build your site. And now, with the use of AI, natural language generation, it's much quicker to generate good content. So let's get to it. Business overview outline. It doesn't matter what size your business is, you may already have defined all your product parameters and have a complete knowledge of your target market and have already outlined your business strategy. But when it comes to optimizing and maximizing your website potential, you need to carefully look at the next stages. Keeping it as simple as possible. You can always expand your services as you progress. Best to keep it simple and get your key offerings out there first and examine your calls to action. So here's my base overview intro that we would use at the Voice of AI. Our goals are to empower companies to implement artificial intelligence and build authority in this emerging market. We say let us guide you on leveraging AI to create business value and authority. Our tailored solutions range from strategic consulting to tactical implementation. And our mission is to establish your company as an authority in artificial intelligence and help you fully leverage AI's potential. So you've heard our introduction page, but what you need to do is ask yourself the following questions. What is the goal of the website? What is the key offer? And what is the pricing? Let's look at how we answer those questions. Let's start with website goals. Now, what are they? You can use Chat GPT, Bard, or Claude, or any other NLP service to help you create your content. Here's the overview of what our website aims to promote. We want to establish our company as AI experts and thought leaders, provide end-to-end consulting on AI implementation, educate visitors on proven AI strategies and best practices, and generate leads for our AI consulting services. And what are our key offerings? This is really important as it is your sales pitch and you need to make sure that you're highlighting the right key offers. Our key offerings are strategic AI consulting, which is AI business strategy sessions and AI workflow audits. Under AI implementation, we have chatbot creation, analytics integration, and full AI transformation. Under our education and training area, we have training for beginners and intermediates. We have productivity training tools, including Chat GPT. We have technical AI skill courses, including YouTube monetization, how to get monetized in 3 months. Then we have our productivity tools. We generate content, insight, and efficiency gains by integrating AI into business processes. Some of the key areas are content creation, data analysis, process automation, personalization, and forecasting. Perhaps the call to action would be, let's discuss how our tailored AI consulting services can establish your authority and lead to new success. Based on this, we can now define our post types. It's really key to have the following. Number 1, a blog. Number 2, the services or the offer page. Number 3, the pricing overview. Number 4, in our case, we want to have an AI tools review. This would be a list of tools categorized by different solutions. Number 5, videos. This is where we will have our AI videos and information on training, tutorials, and product reviews. Number 6 probably could be a glossary. What do terms mean? And number 7 could be a product page and a list of our services. Then on to our call to action, subscription or free consultation. One key action area is to consider making a subscription, perhaps creating a newsletter. But of course, this relies on compelling content, consistency, appealing design, and personalization. Using a newsletter as your call to action could help your website build a subscriber base, generate leads, establish authority, and drive traffic. If you offer free giveaways as we do, like training videos and practical examples of AI, it can entice visitors to subscribe and engage with your content. Additionally, a well-crafted newsletter can direct traffic back to your website and expose subscribers to other offerings and enhance the chance of conversation and conversion. Well guys, that's it for today. And don't forget, if you missed video 1, you can see it right now. It's up here on the link, Building Websites with Ideal Structure and Content for Maximum SEO Results. Thanks for watching the video, and if you haven't already, please like and subscribe to our channel for more AI-related content and tips, and join me on the journey to unlock the potential of AI. If you have any questions or feedback, please leave them in the comment section below, and I'll see you next time. All the very best. I'm Chris from the Voice of AI. Cheers and bye-bye now.